Hello guys, hello, good morning. I'm here to my daughter's rooms and she want me to find her scared and I'm not sure if it's here already, but I'm trying to find what she needs. She is not home and she's not home since I think June last year. And I want to show you her cabinets. Some of her clothes, it's there where she lived, but I wish that someday she can, like what she dreams, right? She dreamed to decorate her own rooms. I hope that she can make it nicely. I tried to arrange it, but she said that she want to decorate self. Ayun guys, ang ganda ng araw today. Look, tignan mo, pati syempre yung flowers ko. Tignan mo naman yung flowers ko. Sa sobrang, alam mo, sa sobrang bigat ng kanilang flowers na gano'n na siya, nagbabow down na sila. Ayun, pero it's look fresh until now, right? It's take a long time to dry. But I wish that more longer. Yeah. Ayun, lumabas ang araw guys kasi nandito ako sa loob ng bahay. I hope that later, it still have sun. Ayun nga guys, ayun. Ang ganda ng araw. Pero I think it's 11 degree only here in Denmark. I try to check in, weather. What is weather every day. Ayun nga guys, 11 degree only. Pero maybe later kapag okay na yung, alam mo yung maaraw na yung, di ba, sumisikat ang araw lalo na pagdating ng 11 hanggang 3 o'clock, ayun, maganda na yan, mainit na. Pero I think today it's not gonna rain. Ayun. Paminsan-minsan kasi talaga nagre-rainy din talaga, pero as of now, sun is come, so I need to go out and enjoy life. Kung gusto niyo ako, subaybayan niyo ako guys sa YouTube channels ko, okay? At sa mga subscribers ko, thank you sa inyong lahat. More blessings to come and God bless. Wag niyo akong iwanan sa aking journey at alam ko na darating ang panahon, kung ano man yung naitulong niyo sa akin, ibabalik ko sa kapwa ko. I promise that. Thank you sa lahat ng mga ginawa nyo sa buhay ko at alam ko isa kayo sa mga taong nagpipray na magkaroon ako to have a silent life, and that's my wish only, to have a silent life and to be with my one and only daughter. Ayun guys, at alam ko na nandyan lang kayo palagi para ipag-pray ako. At hayaan nyo, kasama ko kayo sa aking mga prayers at itatry ko lagi. Ayun guys, ingat kayo lagi. God bless you all. At sana someday ang anak ko ay makauwi din para mai-enjoy niya naman ang buhay kung ano yung gusto niyang gawin sa buhay. Alam ko ngayon vacation niya at sana hindi siya naboboredom kasi alam mo naman kapag stay home ka, it's a boring life. Kaya ang ginagawa ko is I go to Tuyan restaurant, Saigon restaurant, and try to help my friends. It's like free works, like what do you call that in free billy job, yung parang volunteer job only. Ayun, to help her. Pero alam mo, nag-i-enjoy ako sa trabaho ko. As now, wala akong trabaho, it's only Palm Green. Alam mo naman, Palm Green is always there for me every time that I need job. And I'm very thankful that this still help me. Ngayon guys, ingat and God bless you all. Okay, bye!